some of members of the public whom we suspect could have been family members of these criminals heeded the 24-hour notice, and therefore we did promise that any Kenyan who was legitimately affected as a result of the movement will be resettled. And therefore, in our next phase, we're going to look at if any genuine cases of displacement were caused. Our assessment is that there wasn't any displacement, because for those who have gone to these places, these are places which are not even suitable for habitation in the first place. And that's why if you hear a place where security agencies cannot be able to access, then you can imagine the kind of places we are talking about. Some are forests, like Mukogodo Forest in Laikipia. What would someone be doing living in a government forest? Others are dangerous gorges and hills. The Araba Hills in Baringo, the Tandare Valley, the Silale Gorges in Tiati. Other dangerous escarpments, like the Malaso escarpment. You just need to go and see, the kind of terrain we are talking about. All these spaces, I am a proud Kenyan today to report that we have flushed out our criminals from all the areas that we gazetted as disturbed and dangerous. Some of the criminals escaped into the general population and mixed with the general population, and that's why we have had occasional sporadic attacks here and there, livestock stolen here and there, which thefts are not even happening in the grazing areas as used to be in the past, but is happening from homesteads. And we all know that police officers, law enforcement officers cannot be in every homestead. But I also want to report that whenever there have been attacks, we have made significant strides in recovery of stolen livestock. 2 weeks ago, I was in Laikipia North,